So there's the chuckwalla lizard, which is kind of goes into the naming of the Chuckwalla National Monument, which is just established here in the Coachella Valley. I kind of like chuckwallas. They're kind of a big, could say, wide-bodied lizard. In fact, there's kind of a fun fact that the scientific name for a chuckwalla is Sormalis ater, which means sort of like black, flat lizard. But actually, that's a relatively newer name from what I learned growing up, which is Sormalis obesus, which means the fat lizard. So they kind of have a reputation, or they've been named for their kind of wide bodies. But that's actually an adaptation. It's not that they have a lot of fat. They actually have a lot of air inside their bodies. They're able to inflate themselves. They love living in rocks, and their scales kind of point one way, right? So they inflate, and then the scales wedge against the sides of the rocks, and then it becomes almost impossible to pull them back out of the crevice that they're in.
Defense mechanism.
Yeah, exactly.
Is that a defense mechanism?
Absolutely.
Wow.
So, right, it keeps a coyote or bobcat or kit fox or something that might be trying to reach in there to grab them from being able to do anything.